Hey, it's Crystal with the Traveling Attic. I wanted to give you an update on the van. Been working on the van a little bit, and this part's been really hard. We are working on framing out this van so we can put the ceiling on, and this is what we've come up with. Basically, put these boards across the ribs, put little pieces of board in here to make it even so it's all the way across straight. Same for the front. And I went ahead and cut out the felt that was here. And eventually this will be a big cabinet space, and I can insulate this roof because this roof is really hot. And I went ahead and added some more insulation in the ribs, make sure all the ribs have insulation. Keep you posted as it goes along. I'm really wanting to get this started, and it's been blazing hot this summer, as everybody knows. Hopefully with the days getting a little bit cooler in the next month or so, we can spend more time here. We do waste a lot of time hiking, so we could be working on the van, but you know how that is. I will talk to you on my next adventure, and I'll let you know how the van build continues to build. Until then, see you later. Bye.